I keep trying to set myself up for a good day, but end up failing throughout the day. Like, this is probably the third what I eat in a day video I've made. And this one's going to be completely honest because the first one I did really good up until like late afternoon. I didn't stick to my usual plan of eat when I'm hungry, and if I am hungry, don't snag and eat a full meal. And it just ended up costing me. I ended up eating like an entire plate of nachos at a Mexican restaurant. And it's all because of pressure from other people. It's not always just me being in my head about it. It's me thinking like, oh, this guy's eating way too much, or just all these other like stupid things that ends up biting me in the end. So what I'm going to do instead is just do a completely honest what I eat in a day kind of video. And I'm going to try to set myself up for success for today. This is just leftover ribeye. We cut ribeyes at the restaurant and the end caps of it. So I'm just going to eat this as my first meal. It's 9:51 right now. And we'll just see where it goes from there. So it's been a couple hours since I've eaten. And I had a little bit of stress. I fell into a sewer. Or, you know, a sewage line. At least one of my legs did. Yeah, I've been kind of freaked out ever since, and knee is killing me. And I realized I've just been kind of eating. I've had bacon and spicy mayo. I already know this is terrible for you. Bacon I'm less worried about, but I guess it's helping me cope with the random stress I just occurred with, but it sucks. It really sucks. I was definitely being way too hard on myself earlier about the bacon and the whatever. Today's been rough. It's been a rough day. I thought it was going to be a decent day, but no, it's been pretty tough. But you know, whatever. I've stopped and I got some Bridgeford meat sticks, and then I'm going to be eating this burger and some hollandaise. 8-ounce burger with a little bit of hollandaise, and might eat something else. Just not too sure yet. Definitely gonna eat this though and get some work done at this restaurant. So here's what I ended my night with: 3 chicken tenders with ranch dressing, probably a small order of fries with some honey mustard, and about 4 slices of mozzarella cheese. Yeah, I don't know. Doing this kind of hurts. I've been doing this for a while now, and admitting that you're wrong and that you've been just falling off doesn't feel good, and it actually kind of. I actually kind of don't want to look at the camera right now to see my face to do this. That's why it's facing the road, but maybe tomorrow will be better. I've been writing in my journal talking about tomorrow me and how I need to set tomorrow me up for, you know, a better chance at the day, and I definitely didn't do that for my diet, you know. So glad the day is almost over, ready to go to bed. We'll try again tomorrow. I don't know if today's going to be a better day, but I'm going to do everything I can to make it a better day. So one of the things we're going to do today is only have 1 cup of coffee. And for me, that's just going to be a large iced coffee from Panera Bread. I mean, it's pretty weak coffee as it is, but I think a bit of my problem is probably hormonal, if I had to guess. Just considering how many stressful things I have going on at the same time. It's the reason I pulled back at the gym, because at the gym I was killing myself pretty much every workout. You know, going as heavy as possible and doing max reps and stuff like that. I just feel a little bit better today. It's a different day, and I'm not going to immediately start judging things and trying to just make the best out of it. My knee's still killing me, which sucks, but it is what it is at this point.
Thank you for choosing Pablo Panera.
Yeah, can I get a large iced coffee? Alrighty, I've had my 1 allotted cup of coffee for the day, and finally eating breakfast. It's about 10:45 right now. This is ground beef, cheddar, and eggs, and I cooked that in butter. We'll see how it goes. And about to head off to my parents after this to get some stuff done. I'm gonna eat this. So I did eat a little bit of bacon earlier on my way back through here, but this is just a bunch of leftover like ribeye scrap. I just sauteed it in garlic butter with some seasoning and a little Worcestershire sauce. Tasty. All right, so I finished up last night, and it didn't go perfect, but I probably still stuck to it. I'd give it like a 85%. I only had the 1 cup of coffee yesterday, which was nice. I did have a cup of decaf. I'm not sure if I should count that or not. Maybe I should, because that's when I kind of fell off, was right after having that cup of decaf at like 5. Ended up having maybe 7 fried shrimp and some french fries. And it's not that I ordered it, it's just sitting there in a bowl and there was extra and kind of mindlessly grabbing stuff and putting it in my face hole. So I don't know, but it is what it is at this point. I'm trying to not beat myself up about it because the other day was just rough, man. It was, I don't think anyone needs to feel that way about how they're eating, especially when you're trying to do good for yourself. And yeah, it's there's a difference between being honest with yourself and beating yourself up about stuff. And I was just beating myself up about stuff. Right now I'm eating some pretty garbage omelet things at this hotel. I got a hotel just to, shower for the night since the gym won't be open. So, but yeah, I think that's going to do it for this one. I'm probably going to keep making these and just in an effort to help myself and maybe encourage others to not beat themselves up about what they're eating. So if you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see y'all in the next one.